One of my top healing foods is garlic, raw garlic. Been using it for several years now. And in this very video, I want to explain to us some of the reasons why I take it. And I'm going to take this one right here. So for you to see, because some of us are wondering, how do I take it? How is it? You have to chew it. You have to swallow it. If you continue chewing it for a long time, it may start burning your chest. It's gone. And then you can even swallow the garlic the way it is. I just had my water, therapy, and then need to also take this, but definitely not every day, because it has its own ugly side too. If you take it regularly and you do not consume any form of probiotics, you soon start feeling some feelings like heartburn and uncomfortable feelings, and you may even need some probiotics because it's very potent, it's very powerful. It can help you reverse some ailments like typhoid, malaria. In fact, if you are even making any remedy for reversing malaria and typhoid, and garlic is not in it, most times it doesn't really seem to be so good and effective. That's my own finding. I've tried sometimes to stay away and just use other remedies, ginger, whatever. But over time, I noticed that special ingredients, the allicin, that allicin makes it to stand out. Every spice, every healing food has something that makes it to stand out. And garlic is one of such food. If you sustained an injury, maybe an elderly person, and you are in a place where you cannot really get access to medical attention, better start to chew garlic. I've tried it before on someone and it worked effectively. Chewing garlic, as I did now, drinking water, may prevent the further spread of that wound, and will contribute to its eventual healing. It's a healing food. You need to always have it around you. It's great for heart health. I'm talking of taking raw garlic the way I did. Yes, I call it sometimes one of your heart's best friend. Yes, you may try it and thank me later. Whether it's high bad cholesterol, whether it's something like cough, whatever it is, even at odd hours. I've often tested garlic in case you don't know the cause, what it is, and it has to do with the heart. Try garlic sometimes. It works. It has high anti-inflammatory properties. It's a blood thinner, and blood thinners are great for those managing high blood pressure and even high blood sugar. Our hearts need to be protected, and I tell you, this is one of the top foods that we should include even as a spice to enhance the taste of our meal, and in addition to taking it just the way I did. Right now, 2 or 3 cloves is what you need, depending on your body size and weight. You need it at least several times in the week. And when you need to stop, you need to also understand when your body is talking to you. You don't need someone to come and tell you. When you are consuming it and you begin to feel that heartburn, because most of these spices need protein in the diet, you need to back it up with protein. You need to back it up with probiotics, because they are destroying bacteria. they are thinning out the blood, and you need, something buffer to protect your body. And that's why some people are saying foods like garlic, ginger are causing stomach ulcers. You can only say that when you do not take sufficient protein, when you do not have sufficient protein buffer, when there are no probiotics whatsoever in your diet. That's when you accuse such foods like garlic as causing stomach ulcers for you. When you consume them more frequently, ensure you also have probiotics. I've talked about it before. An example is a good yogurt. Fermented foods, you need them to protect the delicate walls of your intestine. The cause of the ulcer or the wound is not the garlic, definitely. It's a healing food. It's a gut-friendly food. It helps to fight off fungus. It helps to fight off bacteria, including those that attack us in the ear, throat, teeth. Just mention it. Several of these bacteria are microbes, even the ones that have proved drug resistant. Sometimes when you continue to fire them with the presence of garlic, some of them may not be able to stand the powerful effect of the allicin. That is one of the most powerful agents in garlic. And so I do not stay too far away. Sometimes you may be tempted to keep off it, but once in a while, remember to go back and start to chew it. And this is in addition to adding it, using it as a taste enhancer with ginger, the addition of ginger to enhance the taste of your meal and to make it more immune boosting. It's an immune booster. It has several other benefits. If you like this message, why not click the follow button? Because I'll be bringing you more tips like this to help you stay healthy naturally.